Don't throw away your Kinderjoy shells. Let's turn them into 4 adorable mini crafts that are super easy to make. Paint half a Kinderjoy shell yellow, cut the wings from fabric paper, roll cotton to make the head, add an orange beak, and attach painted cockle shells, or you can also add pista shells as tiny feet. Spray paint it by mixing some water in acrylic paint, and our cute little chick is ready. Now for the second craft, paint another shell with white first, then red. Cut thin strips from a Kinderjoy shell, attach them and finish with black spots to create an adorable little ladybug. Now for the next one, fill 2 Kinderjoy shells with cotton to make soft cushions, cover them with pink glitter sheet and use lollipop sticks to make the tiny matching table. Cover another Kinderjoy shell with blue glitter sheet, wrap glitter sheet strips around lollipop sticks to make the frame, and then assemble everything into a miniature hanging chair. Thank you for watching.